Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can add LemonSqueezy custom domain. You probably know LemonSqueezy is a platform where you can sell your digital product, and their built-in features for e-commerce, for getting payment and so on. But the cool feature is you can easily add your custom domain and remove their subdomain. So let's see how you can do that. This is the backend of LemonSqueezy interface, and here you can see in the setting you will find a section called domain, and here you can see you can easily connect your custom domain. And before adding custom domain, you of course you have to buy a domain. So I am using Namecheap for my domain, and here you can see I already inputted my domain on the domain box, and there is a few instructions you have to follow for connecting your custom domain, and voice is pretty easy and simple. Just you have to add a record in your domain section. Here you can see a record I am adding with their IP address and hit OK. And now let's hit the verified domain, and keep in mind that it will take few minutes for doing this. It depends on the cases. I don't know, it's actually take 130 minutes or less or plus. Okay, just you have to come, and here you can see my DNS settings is now ready, and I have added this to a record in my domain provider section. Your domain provider could be different, but probably the method is same. And here you can see it's taking few times, and after taking the time it will verify it completely. And now our domain is ready and SSL also ready. Now open this domain and see what is happening here. Just copy it and paste on the browser and then reload, and here you can see the successfully connected the custom domain in LemonSqueezy, and it will show all the pages for like checkout and product page as well. So this is the test product I have added to show you guys, because without a product the website will show nothing. So that's why I added this test product and made the domain website. So this is the custom domain website, and it's made over the LemonSqueezy, and you can easily make this kind of product if you have any digital product idea. Now you are good to go for
So if you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim. I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a great day.